They say in the town of Ravens Hollow, a bell rings every midnight. No one knows who rings it, or why the sound kills whoever hears it. It started after the church burned down in 1912. The bell survived, melted, cracked, but still hanging in the ruins. When the wind blows, it tolls once, only once, and by sunrise, someone is found dead. The locals say the bell doesn't ring from the church anymore. It rings for the ones who lied to God. Their names echo through the air right before it tolls, whispered by voices no one can see. So, last night, a reporter went to record it. At 11:59, the tape hissed. At midnight, the bell rang once. And before the sound faded, you could hear him whisper his own name. They buried him today. And the bell, it hasn't stopped ringing since.